Wysong 10-foot quarter model H2510 shear with the PC100 CNC programmable gauge. By the way, here is our squaring arm. It's a little bit tricky to bolt on. There's the bracket to mount it. Got disappearing finger stops. That's the bolts for the bracket. 2 sets of support arms. Here's one set. Here's another set with more disappearing finger stops. Got scale embedded. Condition is excellent. Here's the shear. Have manuals with it. Ah, there you go. Got all the manuals. Here's our gauging. Matter of fact, while I'm back here, I'll show you guys the blades. Blades look to be in excellent shape. No shim on this bottom. Edge looks excellent on it. Get out of here. We'll do some test cuts and show the condition. Whew. Here's your gap adjustment system. Stroke system. All right, guys, let's do some cuts. I got the blade inspection out of the way.
Okay. I'm gonna do the sequence.
Calibrating.
Sequence, 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch. I'm gonna go through that right now, just dry cuts.
All right, let's do this. All right, so that was your cycle. Let me go to the back, and I'll show the back gauge moving when you're doing that. Let's do that sequence one more time. Yep. All right. By the way, that's the whole back gauge assembly. All right. Let's do some test cuts. What do we got? Is that 1/4 inch? 10 gauge?
It's like 10.
10 gauge, okay. Oh, sorry, man.
Just showing you a number of cuts right now. We're just doing a manual.
Okay. What do you got for metal? Can we see the edge? Tilt that guy up if you can, or he's gonna bring the strips around. It's all original paint too. Which is the cut edge? Looks like a nice clean cut.
Yeah, no burr.
No burr at all. I'm feeling the tiniest of tiny, but it's barely noticeable. Excellent cut. How's accuracy on the gauge? Good? How's the 1-inch pieces you're cutting?
Yeah.
Let's stack them up. Let's show them. Let's do a test.
Up on that. And there might be a little bit of a burr, but
Yeah, you're right there.
2 thou off.
You're about 2 thou. Okay. Consistent too. All right, let's cycle it around a few more times and call it good. I'm gonna go in the back. Keep doing it, please. Perfect. Thank you much, guys. Thanks for watching. It's a nice shear.